What is going on, everyone? Mega here with a brand new Discord Pi tutorial, and in this tutorial we're gonna be continuing where we left off last time with this Gacha command we've been working on. Excuse me. So in this tutorial we're gonna I have a couple of images, and for first off we're gonna have to upload these images to Imgur, because that's the hosting site that we're using for the bot. And throughout this gacha command tutorial, this is a tier list for the different tiers that we're going to be using for this. I got this from tier maker. Now for this whole image, I actually had to manually make this, but this is based upon the community ranks that are on tier maker. And one thing I noticed when opening up tier maker is that Scotty went up to an S tier on the community ranks, and that's probably because she got released on FGO and NA. So she is an S tier now on tier maker. So I went ahead and added her to the S tier, and so we need to add her to the bot. And so after we do Scotty, we're gonna be doing Ryogi Saber, and then we're also going to be doing our Toyo Archer. I have all the images prepared, and we just need to go on to Imgur. Let me just close this window. Open up a new window. Okay, and we're going to go to Imgur. Oops, still had caps on. Okay, and so here are the images we're going to be using, and so it's going to be very simple. And actually, I'm going to open up 3 Imgurs, because we're doing 3 different... Oops. Because we're doing three different sets of servants. So new post. Let me just say, yeah, okay. And I'm going to click. And I'm just going to drag and drop them. I'm trying to do it in a way where you can still see what I'm doing, but nah, I'm gonna have to do it on my second screen. So I'm gonna drag and drop the first image. Okay, and once it's finished uploading, upload complete, I'm gonna click add more images, upload the second one. Once that's finished, because it won't let me click on it until it's done uploading. Also, another thing about these images is that in order to make it so that there's no lag, I resized all the images so that they're all at least 5 at a max of 5. Dimension 500 times whatever. You can resize them to be smaller if you want to, but that's the size that I chose, and because I didn't want to make them too small that they would cause like issues. Oh wow, it's still upload. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait for this to finish uploading. There we go. That took a while. Alright, the third image. Oh, fuck. Oh, that's why. The upload failed. So I have to wait for this to finish. And I think I'm actually gonna make this a 2-hour video actually, because I need to get this done. And this is taking a long time. I don't know if it's my internet or because my internet has been bad lately, and that's why I'm not streaming this. Let me actually see how big these images are. No, they aren't that big. I'm gonna refresh. Yeah, it failed to upload those for whatever reason. So let's try it again. I'll just do it while it's going. All right, and this one. Okay, and this one. Okay, and this one. Okay, and this one. Okay, and this one. Okay. All right. Looks like they're all there. So now let's go to the next one. So I can close this. And now we're going to do Ryogi Saber. Add image. 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 And add image. Okay. And the last one. Add image. 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 Okay. All right, so let's go to each of these. Yeah, it looks like these are still uploading. So I will try and get through these. But let's go ahead and while that's uploading, let's go ahead and open up the pie chart. Yep, this is the bot. Okay. All right, and so with this one, we're actually going to be creating a new Python file. So it's going to be the same format as this. So within the default folder, we're going to create a new Python file, and we're going to call it 8 here. Okay, and it's going to be name, and the names are attach. Oh wait, actually, I forgot. You can't see it at that size. Okay, that should be good. Scotty. Yep, and that's how our name is. Alright, and we're gonna copy. Comma. So that's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. And that's 10. Now remember that's when working in lists, the first index of the list is 0. So technically this is all no, wait. Wait, let me see how it goes. Yeah. Why is it not? Oh, that's why. Oh, that's why. There we go. Okay. All right, and the next one is I forgot what her name is. How can I forget what Ryogi's first name is? Shiki, there we go. Ryogi Shiki. Ryogi Shiki. And Saber. Copy. I don't know why I did that. Oh, forgot. Copy. I don't know why it's doing that. That's 3. It's 4. I'll just do it like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and I'll fix it. No. And then put a comma. Put a comma. Comma. Oh wait, I made a mistake. This actually goes in S tier. So I'll just delete the entire thing and then start from scratch for that. So this actually goes right here. Copy. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 10. Okay, and now I have to do copy this. Oh wait, first off, so 310 to 319. Okay, and copy this because I need it at the bottom. .310 to 319. All right, and now we need to pull up the images. Hopefully they finished uploading. Copy image location. Oh, forgot. First off, I'll cut this. That right there. Oh. Copy image location. Yep, okay. Copy image location. Of course it doesn't. Yeah. None of these worked. Yeah, none of these. Because that first one failed to upload. I don't know what it is with that first one that it will just will not let me upload it. Alright, let me try and pull it up again. Okay, there we go. Now it worked. Copy image location. Maybe my internet went bad or something. I don't know. Really weird that it wouldn't let me do it before. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now it's working. Image location. Copy image location. Okay. Add more images. Copy image location. Yeah, that one took a little bit longer to upload. Okay. Copy image location. Okay. Copy image location. Okay. Copy image location. Copy image. Okay, and one more. Copy image location. Okay. Now it's done. And so this is, oh, forgot. It won't work if I don't do that. So this is 310 to 319, and then I need to go over to, I believe it's under general. Yep. So go from 0 to 319. Because that's how much I have. Now when I add an A tier, it's gonna, I'm also gonna be adding in the amount that I have for that list. So for example, in today's video, I'm gonna be adding 2 to A tier. So I'm gonna, after I'm done with this, the chosen tier will be from 0 to 321. And then I'll have to recalculate all these numbers to take into account the new percentage. But yeah, that's how it works. Okay, and so now I'm done with this. So now I don't need to do this yet, so I can go back to doing this. So name. So the name equals Ryogi. Wait, yeah, it was Ryogi. Ryogi Shiki Saber. And this time I'm just gonna copy that. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, damn it. 7, 8, 9, 10. Just in case. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. 0 to 9. Okay, and after name, it's series. And so Shiki is technically from Kiara no Kyokai. So I'm going to copy the Kiara no Kyokai one. Yep, here we go. Copy. And I will have to change this up. All right. Series. Okay. And this is 0 to 9. And then images. Okay. And so now I need to start uploading the images. So Ryogi Saber. Copy image location. Add images. And I'll just do it this way so I know I got it correctly. Copy image location. Okay, next one. Okay, copy image location. Next one. Okay. Copy image location. Okay. Copy image location. All right. Add more images. This one's taking a little bit of time. There we go. Copy image location. Okay. Oh, because that one was a ping. That's why it was taking a little bit longer. Copy image location. Yeah, the pings do take a little bit longer to upload. Copy image location. Copy image location. Okay, and that's the last one. Okay, but I still need a comma. And I'm gonna do, for this one, 0 to 9, Ryogi, Shiki, Saber. That way I know which one it is if I need to troubleshoot it. Okay, and now we need to do the next one. So same thing. So first off, let me go to the folder, Artoya Archer. And if you're wondering where I'm getting these images from, they're just fan art that I found, which is why I'm not hiding the signatures, because I don't want to be stealing them. Artoria Pendragon. And I'm going to copy 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is 10 to 19. So if this was 0, and just to verify, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And so this one, for the series, it's going to be fake grand order, but I'm just going to copy and paste this so I don't have to manually type it out. And we're to series. Now let's adjust this. Okay. 10 to 19. Artoria Pendrag. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I need to move this up. Damn it. There we go. I'll fix that in a little bit. Okay. Just so you can see. Okay, and now I do the images. So now I go to this image, copy image location. right? Next image. Okay, copy image location. All right, next one. Copy image location. Okay. So it's taking a bit of time. Okay. Copy image location. Okay. Yeah, just like that. Copy image location. 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 And the last one. Copy image location. And I'm gonna, I don't have anything yet, so I'm just gonna close off these lists. But I am gonna add more stuff to it. Because if I have it like that and it says, and it's gonna say that like, oh, I'm missing stuff. I'm just going up to the top to make sure that you can see everything. No, you cannot. Okay. That's the thing with working in this kind of setup, is that the screen, the text is so small that I have to really zoom in on my screen, and you end up cutting off some stuff. Okay. So for here, we're gonna be doing pretty much the same thing for this area. So it's gonna be 321. And we're going to leave that as 319 because that's the amount that we have in our S tier lists. Yeah, 319. Okay. So we want this to be that to be like that, but we want to change this. So before we go into that though, we're gonna need to recalculate these percentages though. So I'm gonna pull up the calculator and make sure you can actually see it this time. So it's gonna be 321 times, yeah, I didn't mark it, but I know it's 3% times 3%. So it's gonna be about 10. So it's the same thing. Okay. So 321 yeah, that one should be 30% times, oops, 321 times 30%. Oh, maybe it's 10%. 321 times 10%. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So that's fine. So 1%, 3%, 10%, 50%, 80%. So 321 times 50%. Oh, it's 160 now. 161. So we have to change this to 161. No, actually 162. Because we wanted to include 161. And then everything else is D tier. Okay. And so now for A tier, we have to get rid of this. And then we're going to do I'm going to make a new variable. Chosen. Oops. Underscore index. Index equals random dot rand int from 0 to 19. So basically, if if the number chosen in here is 1, so wait a minute, actually this is 3%, 321 times 3%. So it actually has to be 11 because rounded up is equals 10. Yeah, okay. So let me recalculate that actually. Yeah, so this is actually has to be 33. Okay, now I'll try it. Okay. So if it's 1 to 10, or so if it's greater than or equal to 11 and less than 33, and if it's greater than or equal to 33, there we go. Now it's good. So now what it's going to do is that it's going to choose, if the number chosen is 1 to 10, it's going to choose a random number between 0 and 19, and it using those numbers, it's going to create an embed equals discord dot embed the title equals, oh wait, and I forgot, I have to import a tier. Import a tier. There we go. A tier dot name brackets chosen index A tier. So it's going to use the name at the chosen index. Then for the description, it's going to be A tier dot series at chosen index A tier index. The color is going to be the same, 0xff 6 9 B4, and then the timestamp equals date time dot date time dot UTC now. I need to remember to keep looking back on my second screen so I know if you can see it or not. Okay. And now embed dot set image, the URL goes a tier dot images chosen index A tier. Okay, and now the footer, embed dot set footer, text equals format string requested by ctx dot author dot name. And then we're gonna await ctx dot send content, oops, content equals none to avoid not sending any content. Embed equals embed. Now I know this is very packed up, but that's the way we need to put it. All right, and that's pretty much it. Everything is good to go. And unfortunately, I cannot test this out without taking down the bot, which we are going to do now. So oops. console.cloud.google.com. Okay. We're going to go down to compute engine and virtual machine instances. I'm going to delete my bot. Now I may have to reopen this in a Chrome because for some reason I have problems opening this up in Firefox. All right, but we can create it. Okay, and this is gonna be Romani bot, or whatever you named your bot. And South Carolina, doesn't matter. E2, because I have a lot of data. Change this. Change it to Ubuntu. 18. Select. Allow. And create. I used to be able to SSH into it with Firefox, but I don't know why I can't do it in Firefox. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it in Chrome. console.cloud.google.com. I don't care about that. 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 All right. All right, and SSH. Yeah, it always works in Chrome, but it doesn't work in Firefox for some reason. Okay. So as always, Python v. Okay, sudo. Sudo apt install Python. Okay, Python 3. Oh, I guess it automatically does it now. You used to have to install both of them. Okay. So pip/v. So sudo apt install Python pip. Oh, that's right. Sudo apt update. Yeah, if you're not able to install pip, you have to update and do sudo apt update first. Install pip. No, it's sudo. I'll just do the shortcut up key. Okay. Pip/v. Pip3/v. Yep. Sudo apt install Python 3-pip. Okay. Now pip3 install Discord. Okay. Let me just see. Oh, okay. Never mind. All right, and now ls. So make dir Romani cd Romani make dir cogs. Now before we go into this, as last time, I will have to do the first Python file off screen, because I don't want my my token to be visible during this process. So let me do that really quick. But before I do that, actually, let me pull up this screen right here. And I'm gonna go over to scripts and scroll down until I see show in Explorer. That way I can pull up a whole reference of like how I need it to be set up. Okay. So as I said, I'm gonna do this part off screen. Well, not really off screen, just on my second screen. So we're gonna do nano and the name of your pop file. Mine is romani.py. And I'm gonna copy my main bot file. Okay. And so now that that's done, let me pull up the page. And so the next one, we still have S tier, A tier, and images. Okay, so let's do S tier next. So I can bring this back over. So I'm gonna do Control A, copy. Okay. Nano S tier dot py. Control B. Yep, just like that. That's been happening a lot recently. It's not letting me do it without. It's not letting me do the whole thing at once because it's so big. Okay, CD Romani, LS, nano, str.py. So now I'm gonna have to do it one at a time, one list at a time. For A tier, I'm not gonna have to do this though, because A tier is not a lot of information. So I'm just gonna copy all of the list. Which is a little bit of more information this time than last time. Control V. Okay. And now the next one. Series. Copy. Control V. All right. And the last one. Copy. Yeah, just to make sure. Okay, and that's it. Control X. Yes. S tier. Okay. So if I do ls now, S tier is there. So now let's do A tier. Control A. Copy. I should be able to do this one all in one go. Nano. A tier. Is that how I spelled it? Yeah. A tier.py. Trophy. Yep. Control X. Y. Alright. And now images. This one I'm gonna have to do one at a time though, because this is a lot of information. Copy. Nano. Images. .py. Trophy. And as I fill this out on these lists are gonna go away, and eventually I'm gonna completely rename this. Well, actually, this whole file is gonna go away. This whole file I'm not even using, but I still need it. Copy. 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 Wait for series. Copy. There we go. Copy. And the last list. This one I can do all in one go, I think. It's not a lot of information. Yep. And that's it. All right. And so that is that. So I did Romani, I did images, I did S tier, and I did A tier. So now I do cogs. So the next one is events. So first off, I need to cd cogs, and I have to go to events. Copy. Nano. events.py, Control V, Control X, Y, enter. All right, next one is fate. Copy. That little line of this file actually right here is why I'm still using the images.py, because I just haven't had a chance to move it over to another Python file yet. Well, that's getting close to the bottom, so let me move that up. X, Y, fate.py, yep. All right, next one is general. And this is the updated one. So Control A, copy. Hopefully it doesn't crash. Nano, general.py. Didn't crash. Okay. Moderation. Copy. Nano. Moderation. .py. Control V. Control X. Y. Okay. Oh, running out of space again. And the not safe for work one. Copy. Nano. Not safe for work. .py. Okay, so now cd tmux python 3 romani.py. Okay, and it's good, and the bot is back online. So now I can close this. And if I go to my Discord, I can actually move it back to the regular size. Yeah, that's good. And I'm just gonna keep rolling until I get either, and I'm just gonna keep rolling until I get either, Scotty, Ryogi Shiki Saber, or Artoya Pendragon Archer, so we can show the new tier. So r.waifu. Copy. There we go. Oh, that didn't take too long. All right, and it works good. All right, and that's gonna do it. That's how you set up a gacha command to have more than one tier. And so we are really making progress now. And so yeah, that's gonna do it for this tutorial. I know I said I was planning on going for like two hours, but we reached an hour and 15 minutes and we finished. So yeah, that's gonna do it. So this has been Mega, and I will see you again next time.